In this video, I'll show you how to use casino bonus in OneWin. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you to create a professional OneWin account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, OneWin is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So after creating a professional account, as I just showed you using the code Renzo7, what you have to do is to deposit any amount of money to your OneWin account. So when you deposit any amount of money to your OneWin account, you're going to receive the casino bonus. Now, how do you use it? The only condition for you to use casino bonus is for you to bet on OneWin games 3 times. So you have to come over to menu and then come down to OneWin games. In OneWin games, you're going to choose 3 OneWin games and play them 3 times. You can choose Lucky Jet, Crash, Rocket. You don't have to win. You just have to play the games 3 times. If you play the game 3 times, your casino bonus is going to be activated and you can then use it and withdraw to your bank account.